Line the lines in 3, 2, 1, go!
And as we have alliances 6 and 8 facing off here, it is the Red Alliance who see 1868 dropping one cone in the upper row, coming back for a cube. They pick it up, get it scored in the upper row as well, and they make the pickup, bring another back. Unfortunately, it bounces out of the node they were hoping to score it in. However, their alliance partner, 649, did make it to the charging station, docked and leveled by the end of auto, earning Red Alliance the lead as we start tally up. Blue, however, is well on their way to start to make that up. We see Carbon Knights dropping a cone off in the upper row, and their alliance partners, Gold Strikers, sliding over to take their place and adding a cube to the middle row. We have just 10 points separating our alliances now as we see Red over by loading zone, both MSET Fish and Space Cookies, and now rushing back. MSET Fish leave a cube in the upper row. Space Cookies drop off a cone. And it is enough for Red Alliance to take a 10-point lead, hanging on to that for now. However, Carbon Knights and Gold Strikers coming back, sitting next to each other by the blue grid. Carbon Knights are the first to score, dropping their cone off in the upper row, and Gold Strikers working on that cube. On Red, however, we see a large portion of their upper row already filled, and Space Cookies already back for more. With a minute 15 in the match, we have just 2 points separating our alliance. Blue has taken the lead now, and Carbon Knights on their way back from the loading zone with a cone, trying to add to that. And meanwhile, their alliance partners, 4010, they have steadily been working on filling out the bottom row for that blue alliance. And even as I say that, they are back on their way, shuttling another cube over from the loading zone, up and over the charging station, ready to score another. And Red Alliance has taken back the lead. MSET Fish about to make it bigger, dropping off the cone, trying to get it lined up in the top row. Unfortunately, they prematurely let go of that cone, and it falls to the ground where it will not earn them additional points. But not discouraged by that, they are already at the loading zone and racing back. Their alliance partner, 6390, coming over with the cube. And with 30 seconds left, we see Blue Alliance has already turned their sights to the charging station. Red, however, is not done with the game piece scoring just yet. Blue has both Gold Strikers and Prepatech Nautilus patiently waiting at the charging station for Carbon Knights, who are still trying to get a last game piece scored. 15 seconds, and Red gets all 3 of their robots lined up next to each other, docked and engaged on the charging station. 8 seconds left. Blue has their robots on the charging station, trying to get a level, though. Carbon Knights inching forward, and they get their charging station level as well. Triple engagements for both of our alliances. Winning it by a score of 164 to 154. And that means that the Red Alliance, your alliance number 6, moves on, staying alive in the lower bracket. We will see them play next in round 4, match number 12. And a